Hi everyone. Some students messaged me, sir, we are preparing for the upcoming October examination. So, what are the amendments which were applicable for the upcoming examination? There is some doubt regarding that. All the amendments which are applicable for the June term, the institute is already uploaded the supplementary for all the subjects which amendments are applicable. So all the amendments which are applicable for the June term is applicable for October term examination also. No new amendments are applicable. Listen carefully. All the amendments which are applicable for the June 2021 examination, which were postponed to October 21. So all the amendments which are applicable for June is only applicable for October. No new amendments are applicable. Sir, where will we get that amendments which were applicable for the June term? You can visit the official website of ICMI. You can see supplementary. You can download it from there. You can see in the screen the official website of Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Here you can see a students section. In the top tab, home, about us, member. After that you can see a students tab. Click there, you will get a window like this. From here you can see on the right side of your screen there is Students Connect portal. Students Connect portal. You just click that, then a new window will open like this. From here you scroll down to study material. Here you can see study material. Then click there on study material. Then this window will open. From here you can see supplementary for June 2021 term examination. Supplementary on paper 19, which is cost audit. Then supplementary on paper 18. List of notified section on paper 6 and 13, which is law for inter and final. Supplementary paper on 7 and 16. All the supplementary amendments is listed here. You can download it from the here. These are the PDF. You can see what are the amendments, what is the changes for June term. These amendments are applicable for the upcoming examination. So you have to study from this. You have to focus on this. Prepare well according to this. Okay. From here you can download latest study material also. Foundation, inter and final. You can click the study material section. You can download all the relevant latest study material. You can see the law and ethics are amended by the institute, reprint edition of March 2021 edition. If you have an older version, you can download it, and the amendments which institute will include in this study material also. So this is it. No confusion regarding amendments. Prepare well for your examination according to this. So utilize the institute website, and you can see here all the resources are presented very well in institute website. You can see prospectus, syllabus, study material, test papers, MTP, workbook. You can download workbook from here, RTP, all the RTPs, previous RTP, all the workbook. You can click workbook, and the latest workbook which were applicable for the June examination, that is also applicable for the coming October examination, is available here. You can download it from there, and many other things are also available. Suggested answers, previous year question papers. You can see the workbooks here. Foundation, workbook for intermediate, workbook for final. All the workbooks are available here. You can download it from here. So utilize these resources, previous year question paper, RTP, MTP, workbook and supplementary. It's more than enough for passing the examination, for preparing very well for the examination. Okay, so all the very best. You can see the workbook, latest edition workbooks are here. So Direct taxation is revised in April 2021, which is applicable for June 2021 examination, and this is also applicable for October examination. So all the very best. This is it. I hope your confusion regarding amendments is clarified. So all the very best, and thank you. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon also, and share it with your friends. Okay, thank you.